So today I'm just going to go through page kit 9. This is what it looks like completed by Creative Memories. And when you get the page kits, they come in a little kit with a whole sheet of stickers, way more stickers than you'll need, which you can use for other layouts. They give you 2 base pages, and then they give you 1 cut apart page. So before you cut it apart, I like to measure them, because then you can add the measurements to your recipe and then you can repeat this with other collections. So on this, for example, I know that the 2 base pages of birch paper are 12 by 12 sheets of paper. You can also do this whole design onto your regular scrapbook pages. You don't have to do it onto designer paper. So I just measured, and then I also wrote the color. So brown was 10 inches by 2 inches, and then the oranges were 4 by 6 and 4 by 4s. But then you also need to measure the base page, because these are not cut apart, but you're going to need to cut them if you're going to do your own collection idea. So the first one is 10 inches by 3.5. You need 2 of those, 1 for each side. And then this large part is 10 by 7, and you'll need 2 of those as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put this away and pull out a different collection since I already did this one. So if you're doing this along with me, go ahead and comment what collection you're doing this. Are you doing it with page kit 9, or are you doing it with a collection that you have on hand? Or are you doing both like me? I'm using Berry Harvest collection. There's a lot of really bright colors in here. And I think I'm gonna do the tan plaid, because to me it looks very similar to this birch background. I'm just gonna put these aside. So these will be my base pages. So go ahead and get out your 2 base pages. You can play around, with the different designer paper and see what looks good. And then kind of referencing this. So I'm looking for something a little darker, maybe something with a pattern. This right here is a sticker strip. So I'm going to pull out my sticker strip and see what my borders look like for Berry Harvest, because that'll help me determine my paper color too. Okay, so I can do strawberries. Can do a bow, do this. I'm gonna go with the berries. Oh, they're so hard to choose. This is the prettiest paper. Okay, I'm gonna use the strawberry paper. Okay, this we're gonna want to be 10 inches. By 7 inches. For this I'm going to do 10 inches. By 3.5, and another at 3.5. Okay, now I need to do the stripy part. If I want this, or if I want this. I'm gonna go with the gingham, or I could even do this. Yeah, I think I might do this. So 4, and then 2. then at 11 inches, it's going to be right here. On the back side. Just going to fold it a little bit at 11 inches, and then I'll know. Just go like in here. And there. And just put one on top of the other, and you can do the same. Just go from end to end. So now we have this piece right here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and we just have one more color that we need. And this we're just gonna cut at 8 inches. And then 4 inches. This is gonna be 4 by 6. Oh, these are gonna be my 3 4 by 4s. So you can just place like this. Okay, now we can start sticking some stuff down. So I'm just going to put it at 11 inches here. Let's see, maybe I'm trying to get it a little even, maybe a little bit higher. Okay, now we need to get our border sticker. We have one. I'm gonna see what I think looks. That looks good. Or if I'd rather have something like this. I want something a little more subtle since I have so many bright colors going on here. So I'm just gonna run this along the top here. Cute. Oh, the gingham looks kind of cute too. I don't think I'm gonna do the gingham. Change my mind. Cute, cute, cute. Now for our little sticker cluster. I also have embellishments. So if I would rather do an embellishment, I can do that. Or some stickers. Oh, this is cute. This also comes with some of these fun layering pieces. I'll use some foam squares on this one. Okay, there it is. So we went from this to this. Same idea, and it's a really great way to get a lot of use out of your Simple Paige kits.